Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today we will discover the proper pronunciation of the word degenerated. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. The relationship between the two friends degenerated after the argument. Degenerated in this context means the relationship deteriorated or declined in quality, becoming less harmonious or healthy. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.